today concerns messaging. We saw last time how we could build up a model in which agents contained state charts. So a state chart defined modes of agent evolution, and there can be one or more such state charts. It's a convenient way of describing agent behavior. We further situated those agents within networks, where those networks captured relationships between the agents that could either be static or indeed dynamic. And we'll see within the next few lectures how you can have fully dynamic networks and dynamic populations, cases where friendships or marriages are made and broken between agents. Today we're going to be talking about a key enabler for a lot of research questions involving networks and indeed involving any sort of agent interaction, be it spatial or within networks, or indeed just in broader populations. And specifically, we're going to talk about coupling agents' behavior using what's called messaging. Okay? There are several ways in which agents can communicate, and we'll actually see a few models that show other ways as well, such as via stalks and flows. But the way I want to introduce, the method I want to introduce today is the dominant method, and that is via messaging. So here agents send messages to one another, which are, you can think of it as kind of like an email message. And like an email message can contain attachments, the messages agents can send to each other, or the environment can send to agents, for example, can contain payloads of sorts. They can contain extra information. So just as you can add a PDF or a PowerPoint document or add a text file or what have you to an email message, you can have the messages agents send to each other to have a bunch of information or minimal information. And agents can send messages to one or more other agents, or can be sent messages by the environment. Frequently, these messages are sent locally to neighbors within some environment. So, to neighboring nodes on a network, or to neighboring nodes in space, like that SIR agent-based model we saw some time ago, where you have those waves of infection, which were the result of agents sending messages involving infection to their neighbors in the cardinal directions. Okay, now these messages, it turns out,